Hello everyone, this is Mike here. You're watching Techfoot reviews. Well, in today's video we'll learn how to wall mount your TV. So I got a Kogan TV and we'll open up the box and see what's inside and how we can, mount the TV on the wall. So first let's open this up. Okay. All right. So this is probably the bracket that you need to put on the wall, and these two would go at the back of the TV, right? So I'm using Kogan 40-inch TV. It's a slim tilt adjustable wall mount which looks like this, and let's see how we can install it. Okay, so you got all the screws here and you can see the labels as well, and few more. All right, okay, now first thing first, we'll attach these to the back side of the TV. So let's see how it's done. Now it's time to connect the brackets. So let's look at the brackets that we have. The first thing that you need to make sure is that you keep the angle right. So as you can see, there is a arrow sign with the label up, right? So you need to check that, and when you need to position it, so you have to position it like this, because this bracket can get open and closed depending upon the angle that you like to adjust, right? So you don't have to do like this, but you have to use this side, this angle, right? Because we need to tighten up the screws here, and this area of the bracket would goes to the wall, right? So first let's attach the screws here. There are a lot of screws, so you need to decide, you need to check which one is best for your TV, because there are different sizes, so they give multiple sizes of screws. So with mine, I think size D should be fine, so I'd be using 4 screws, right? So let's install them and see how it goes. It's a bit tricky. So the bracket has been successfully attached with 4 screws, right? So it's pretty tight. And now let's see how we can connect the main bracket to the wall. Somebody has already used the bracket previously in this house, so I'll see if I could use the same area or maybe the same positions for my bracket. All right, so let's figure it out. Okay, so there are 4 screws here, depending upon which type of wall you got. If you would have a concrete wall, then it's highly recommended to use these to have a nice grip. This area has to be attached with the wall, right? Very closely, right? So we need 2 screws, one here, and one here, or you can choose whatever you like, whatever position you like, right? The wall mount has been done. I had to use the drill to get it done easily because the screwdriver wasn't working. And on the TV we have already attached the brackets. These are adjustable ones, so you can set them up as per your needs. Now let's lift up the TV and put it on the mount. Like this. So the TV has been successfully mounted, right? So this was a quick and easy to install mounting video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please leave them in comments.